air temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall in the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It may be sunny in the afternoon, it may be cloudy in the evening and windy at the night. Changes in weather causes seasons. There are three seasons in India. What are they? Summer, winter and monsoon. There are three seasons are there in India. What are they? Summer, winter and monsoon. What is a climate? The climate, the weather condition prevail over a large area or for a long period of time is called a climate. It is different from different places. Okay. For example, it is very hot in equatorial places, but it is very cold in polar regions. What are the polar regions? South Pole and North Pole. It is very far away from the equator. So another place is some areas have a hot and wet climate like Goa, Kerala. Okay, these are the places we feel so hot and wet climate. But in some places we feel very hot and dry climate. For example, Rajasthan. Okay, then climate and weather both influence our lifestyle, our food, our houses, dress and economic activities of the people living in this region. People live in polar region, they will wear woolen clothes all the year. Then in Rajasthan and all, they will wear cotton clothes. Okay, so they are feeling so hot, no? They are living in a hot region. So according to the climate and weather, there will be changes in food and lifestyle and clothing, houses, dresses, economic activities.
There are several factors that influence the climate of an area. First one, distance from the equator. All the parts of the earth do not receive the same amount of sunlight. Sun's rays fall directly over the equator and spread over a small area, making this region hotter. Moving towards the poles, the rays become slanting, covering a wider area, due to which these areas are colder. Second one, height above the sea level. As we move to higher altitudes, there is a decrease in temperature. Hill stations like Shimla and Uti are cool even in summers, unlike Chennai or Delhi. This is due to the difference of the altitude above the sea level. The air is closer to the Earth's surface is dense and absorbs more heat. This makes places at lower altitudes hotter. The atmosphere is thinner at high altitude. It absorbs less heat, making the places in hilly areas very cooler. Third one, distance from the sea. Places near the sea coast experience moderate climate. This is due to the sea breeze which blows from the sea to the land. This means that coastal locations tend to the cooler in summer and warmer in winter than places in island. Regions far away from the coast have extreme climate. That is, summers are very hot and winters are very cold. For example, Mumbai, Goa, Kerala are all located near the sea coast and thus have moderate climate throughout the year. But places like Lucknow and Agra have extremely hot summers and very cold winters. So, according to the distance from the sea, we experience different climate. Next one, sea breeze and land breeze. The heat of the sun warms up the land faster than the sea. During the day, the land and the air above it get heated and the warm air rises up. But the sea and the air above it are cooler. Cool air from the sea blows towards the land and cools it. This cool air is the sea breeze. At night, what will happen? The land and the air above it cool more quickly than the sea. Warm air from the sea rises and makes more cold air above land to blow towards the sea. This is known as land breeze. Next one, directions of winds. Winds also influence the climate of a place. They may be hot, cold, or moist depending on the place from which they blow. When they blow from hot regions like winds from Rajasthan to Delhi and Agra, they cause hot summers because Rajasthan is a very hot place. The cold winds from the Himalayas make the climate cold in northern India. The monsoon winds brings with them rainfall, and winds from the sea make the climate cool and moist always. Means Rajasthan is the hottest place, so when it blows we feel very hot.
Next one, humidity and rainfall. Humidity is the amount of moisture in the air. Humid air affects the climate of a place and also bring rainfall. Okay. Then coastal areas are humid because of the moisture or wind blowing from the sea brings so much moisture to the land. Rainfall also affects the climate of a place. Cooler regions, they will get a snowfall.
There are three heat zones. According to the temperature and the rays of the sun, the earth is divided into three heat zones. These are the torrid zone, the temperate zone, the frigid zone. First one, torrid zone. Torrid zone is the hottest among the zones of the earth. It extends from the Tropic of Cancer in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south across the equator. The southern states of India like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka fall in this region. Next one, temperate zone. There are two temperate zones on the earth. These lie between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and between Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. In this region, the temperature is moderate because of the moderate temperature, it is the most comfortable place on earth to live in. North India lies in this zone. Next one, frigid zone. This zone is a permanently frozen zone. The frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere. And in the southern hemisphere, it lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. In this region, there is no sunlight for the most of the months.